everyone, I'm back with a new video, and today this video is based on tuning fork. So these are the tuning fork you can see with the various frequencies. Okay, so 128 hertz, and then 256, then 512, and then 1024, right? So we'll be doing sound test. That sound also have energy. So let's vibrate this. So if I just stick it here, you can see the sound, and you can see that this is vibrating, right? So if I produce this in the water, you can see the change. So you can see that how sound has energy, and when we vibrate this tuning fork, and if we put it in the water, you can see the vibration, the waves producing energy, and these waves are basically produced because of the vibrations produced in tuning fork, right? Now I'll show you this tuning fork of different frequency, and this is basically of 256 hertz. So if I stuck it here, you can see the waves are produced, and you can hear the sound. Right? If I use this 1024 hertz of frequency, and if I stuck it here, I'll produce a video so that you can hear a sound. You can see those waves are produced inside the water, right? So I hope this video is helpful for you, and this will give you a better idea like how vibrations produce sound, and this resonance will be seen in the water also, right? So you can see the different frequencies of sound. Let's try it one last time. So if I stuck it here, you can see the vibrations, right? And I'll be sharing this video with you so that you can get a better idea of this tuning fork, right? Please keep watching, share with your friends. Thank you and have a great day.